Ever pondered why some people seem to get everything done while others struggle to tick off tasks from their to-do lists, despite everyone having the same 24 hours in a day? This question introduces us to the enigma that is time. Time, as we know it, is a constant. It's an unyielding force that keeps moving forward, never pausing, never waiting. Yet, how we perceive it and how we utilize it can drastically differ. This is the paradox of time. Consider this. Two individuals, each presented with the same task, each given the same amount of time. One completes the task effortlessly while the other struggles and still fails to finish. Why? The answer lies in effective time management. Effective time management is not merely about organizing and planning your days and hours. It's about prioritizing tasks, understanding your productivity cycles, and making conscious choices about what to do with your time. It's not about having time, it's about making time. So, how can you make the most of your time? Here are some practical tips. Firstly, prioritizing tasks is a fundamental step in effective time management. When tasks are ranked based on their importance and urgency, it becomes easier to focus on what truly matters. Think of it as your personal roadmap. It won't necessarily lessen the amount of work you have, but it will provide clarity and direction, increasing your productivity. Now let's talk about multitasking. Despite popular belief, multitasking often leads to decreased productivity. It's like trying to run in multiple directions at once. You'll end up getting nowhere fast. Instead, concentrate on one task at a time. By focusing your energy, you'll complete tasks faster and with better quality. Next, set realistic goals. It's easy to overestimate what you can achieve in a day and then feel overwhelmed when you can't meet those expectations. Break down larger tasks into manageable pieces. This way you're setting yourself up for success rather than disappointment. Each small win will fuel your motivation and boost your productivity. Don't forget to take regular breaks. This may seem counterintuitive when you're racing against the clock, but your brain needs time to recharge in order to maintain peak performance. Short, frequent breaks can refresh your mind, improving focus and creativity. Think of it as a sprint, not a marathon. Lastly, utilize technology. There are countless apps and tools available designed specifically to help manage your time effectively. From digital calendars to task management apps, these tools can automate routine tasks, remind you of deadlines, and provide an overview of your productivity patterns. Remember, the key to effective time management is being in control of your time, not letting it control you. Let's quickly recap what we've discussed. We began by exploring the paradox of time, that intriguing conundrum where we all have the same 24 hours in a day, yet some seem to accomplish so much more. It's not about having more time, but rather making the most of the time we have. We then moved on to practical time management tips. Remember to prioritize your tasks, focusing on what is important and urgent. Don't forget the power of delegation. It's not about doing it all yourself, but about getting it all done. And of course, the magic of taking breaks to refresh your mind and boost your creativity. Finally, remember to avoid the trap of equating busyness with productivity. It's not about how much you do, but how much you accomplish. Productivity isn't about being busy, it's about being effective. So manage your time wisely and watch your productivity soar.